Chai, ọ dị egwu. Ndị mmadụ ebetele Christianity ego. Ebeela ha ego gbogbo. Nke bụ na onwezikwa ihe the religion of a Christianity bụzi in the world today, especially in Nigeria. Enwere many other religions like Hindu, Buddha, ọbụla Islamic. All these people, you dare not challenge their priest. You dare not talk anything evil against the religion and go scot-free. But Christianity, anybody talk anyhow to Christians, men of God have become something, or that is ihe eji eme akaja today in this our time. Man, I just say, what is responsible for all this nonsense? Ọ bụ na ọkpụ isi amaghị akpụ ka ọ bụ na agụba adịghị nkọ. What is the responsible for all these things a na-eme in this time against the Christians? Onye mepe ọnụ ya, ọ na-ekwu otu ọbụla o siri sọ ya. N'ihi gịnị? We are in the period of grace. All in the days of the law, many people supposed not to be alive today. Be you a celebrity or whatever thing able, speak against God's anointed. Who are you? Go and ask Miriam. The auntie of Moses. When she spoke against Moses, what she said may be true. That Moses married an Ethiopian woman, that is true. But who gave her the audacity to speak against the Lord's anointed? Immediately she became leprous and was pushed out of the camp. What of Micah, the daughter of Saul, the wife of David? She was the only woman that became barren in the Bible. Because of what? She despised the anointed of God. But today we are in the grace. Let me tell you, this grace is more dangerous than the law. This grace is more dangerous than the law. So if you are among the people that think that you can talk anyhow to the men of God, address them anyhow, remember, this grace that you are abusing can still kill, even silently. So for you to be very, very careful. If you are among them, in fact, you need to apologize openly. Apologize to the public openly. For the fact that some men of God have departed from the path of grace does not mean that there are no men of God that are still standing and defending the faith to the core. There are many fake men of God, I know that, but still there are real ones. There are real people that God called, commissioned. People that are still carrying out the work of God with all their hearts. There are still men of God who are refused to compromise, even in the midst of everything that is happening. Yet there are people like that. It is true. But nobody is allowed, nobody is allowed to speak against any anointed man of God. Doing that, you are digging your grave. You are digging your grave. Whether you are looking for popularity or you are looking for whatever, who authorized you? Let me tell you, the earlier we understand this, the better for us. The earlier we understand this truth, better for us. Touch not my anointed, and do my prophet no harm. The situation of our country is not caused by the men of God, but it is caused by the people that is in affairs of this country. The men of God are trying their best in their own little way to be praying for the nation, fasting for the nation. Don't think it is easy to fast and pray for the nation. So if you are among the people that are castigating men of God, retrace your step before it is too late. Thank you.